Hey guys, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq. And today's recipe is a Greengram Payasam. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. Also press the bell icon. Greengram Payasam, I have taken 1 coconut, 1 bowl Greengram soaked in the water for 3 hours, 1 and a half bowl sagu rice soaked in the water, little bit of kismis, cashew nut, coconut sliced into fine pieces, 1 and a half bowl semia, and now I will boil the Greengram in the cooker for 1 whistle. I have taken 2 pieces of jaggery. Now I will melt it. The jaggery is melted. Now the Greengram is getting boiled. By that time we will take coconut milk. For coconut milk, I have given a link in the description box how to take coconut milk easily. So let's take the coconut milk. Boil the Greengram for 1 whistle. Now I am adding sagu rice that is soaked and I will boil it for 1 whistle. I will add the second coconut milk that is taken. Here I am adding it. And now I will boil it for 1 more whistle. Here I have switched the flame on and now let the vessel heat. I will be pouring 3 tablespoons of ghee to fry the cashew nut, kismis and the sliced coconut pieces. Ghee is melting. First we will fry the cashew nut. It is getting fried. Take the cashew nut. I will fry the coconut. I will use a lid because the ghee is sprinkling everywhere. Coconut is fried now and I am taking it. I have washed the kismis so it's wet. So I will put the lid immediately. The ghee will sprinkle everywhere. Now I will just shake it so that it will get fried. I am using the lid because the ghee is sprinkling everywhere. This is ready and I am taking it now. Now finally I will add the semia and broil it well. In a low flame I am broiling it. The Greengram has boiled. You can see it has boiled well. So now we have to boil the semia separate because it has overcooked. Now I have kept the semia in a low flame and with watery coconut milk because the Greengram and sagu rice has little bit overboiled, so I don't want to boil it again with this. After the semia is boiled, I will add it here. I have added the thick coconut milk here with the Greengram and sagu rice. And now I will pour it into the semia with the sieve so that any sand or stone will be there. It will get clear. Here I am sieving it. I will add the semia with the Greengram and sagu rice boiled. Here I have added the thick coconut milk also. So I will add it here and we have to Heat it in a low flame and then add kishmish, cashew nut and fried coconut. Mix it well. If needed, if you want it a little bit watery, you can add a little bit water. Heating it in a low flame so that the payasam remains for more time, because I have added coconut milk, I have to heat it. I am heating it in a low flame. I am adding these fried things. Then I will give a good mix. Let it get heated in a low flame. The Greengram Payasam is ready to serve, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, also press the bell icon. If you like this video, like, comment and share it with your family and friends. Until next, take care, bye bye.